Yogi Adityanath, the enigmatic figure shaping modern Indian politics. In the vibrant tapestry of Indian politics, few figures command as much attention and intrigue as Yogi Adityanath. A man of fervent conviction and unwavering determination, he has emerged as a formidable force, leaving an indelible mark on the landscape of Uttar Pradesh and the broader political arena of India. Born on June 5, 1972, S. Ajay Singh Bisht in the town of Pauri Garhwal in Uttarakhand, Yogi Adityanath embarked on a journey that would eventually lead him to the corridors of power. His early years were steeped in spirituality and devotion, with a deep-seated commitment to the principles of Hindutva shaping his worldview from a young age. Yogi Adityanath's rise to prominence can be traced back to his association with the influential Gorakhnath Mutt, one of the most revered Hindu religious institutions in India. As the head priest of the Math, he wielded significant influence over millions of devotees, leveraging his position to champion the cause of Hindutva and propagate his vision of cultural revivalism. In the realm of politics, Yogi Adityanath emerged as a firebrand leader, unapologetically espousing nationalist ideologies and advocating for the rights of the Hindu majority. His tenure as a Member of Parliament from Gorakhpur, a constituency he has represented since 1998, served as a springboard for his ascent to greater prominence. However, it was his appointment as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh in 2017 that catapulted Yogi Adityanath into the national spotlight. Tasked with overseeing India's most populous state, he embarked on a mission to usher in sweeping reforms and transform the socio-political landscape of Uttar Pradesh. Under Yogi Adityanath's leadership, Uttar Pradesh witnessed a series of bold initiatives aimed at addressing long-standing issues such as law and order, infrastructure development, and economic revitalization. His administration's crackdown on crime and efforts to streamline bureaucracy garnered both praise and criticism, sparking heated debates on the efficacy of his governance model. Yet, beyond the realm of policy and politics, Yogi Adityanath's persona looms large as a symbol of assertive Hindu nationalism in contemporary India. His unapologetic stance on issues such as cow protection, religious conversion, and the construction of the Ram Temple in Ayodhya has galvanized supporters and sparked controversy in equal measure. Critics have accused him of fostering communal tensions and pursuing a divisive agenda that marginalizes minority communities, while supporters hail him as a visionary leader committed to upholding the cultural and religious heritage of India. As Yogi Adityanath continues to navigate the complex terrain of Indian politics, his legacy remains a subject of intense debate and speculation. Whether viewed as a polarizing figure or a visionary statesman, there is no denying the profound impact he has had on the political discourse of modern India. In an era defined by rapid change and shifting paradigms, Yogi Adityanath stands as a testament to the enduring power of conviction and the complexities inherent in the pursuit of governance. Love him or loathe him, his influence on the trajectory of Indian politics is undeniable, shaping the contours of the nation's future for generations to come.